Good morning, students. Today, our 10th standard biology topic is respiratory system of rabbit. Okay, respiratory already you know respiratory take place with a pair of lungs. Okay, a pair of lungs which are lightly spongious tissue enclosed in the thoracic cavity. Okay, if you have all the mammals having a pair of lungs, okay, and this is enclosed in the thoracic cavity. The thoracic cavities are bounded dorsally by vertebral column and ventrally by sternum. Okay, it is bounded in the dorsally by vertebral column and ventrally in the sternum. Sternum means abdomen, stomach region. Okay, laterally by the ribs. Ribs meaning chest place. Okay. On the lower side of the thoracic cavity is the dome-shaped diaphragm. On the lower side of the thoracic cavity is the dome-shaped. The stomach region having a diaphragm. Okay. Then each lungs enclosed by the double members pleura. Okay. This is the a pair of lungs. Okay. Then each lungs is enclosed by a double membrane pleura. Okay. Atmospheric air passes through the external nostril and nostril passage into the pharynx. Okay, the atmosphere air passes through our nose, then it will be entered into the pharynx. Okay, from the pharynx it passes through the glottis into the windpipe. Okay, one of the pipe that is called windpipe. The anterior part of the windpipe is the enlarged to form a larynx or voice box. The anterior part of the windpipe is called larynx. That place is called larynx. Okay. Then it is supported by four cartilage plates. Inside the larynx lies the vocal cord and it is vibrate result in the production of sound. Okay, the vocal cord present in the larynx. Okay, the sound comes through this larynx. Okay, the larynx lead into trachea or into trachea. This is called trachea. Okay, then tracheal walls are supported by ring or cartilage which help into the free passage. Tracheal wall supported by the ring cartilage, it helps in the free passage of it. In this trachea, through the trachea, the air enter into the lungs. Okay, the epiglottis prevent the entry of food into trachea through the glottis. Epiglottis prevent the entry of food into the trachea through the glottis. Okay, epiglottis is one of the production part and the entry of food. Okay, to avoid the food entry of food. Okay, then the trachea divided into two branches called branchi. Okay, the trachea divided into two branches called, the two branches is called branch. Okay, one entering into the each lungs and dividing into further branches called branchiole. Okay, the branchi enter into the each lungs, then it will be divided into branchioles, which is end into alveoli, Okay, the respiratory event consists of inspiration, breathing in air, expiration and breathing out. Okay, inspiration means inhaling the air, expiration means outhaling the air. Okay, breathing out and breathing in, allowing exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon. Inhaling at a time, oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide in the outhaling, breathing out. Okay, inspiration is the active process while expiration is the passive process. Okay, then circulatory system. The circulatory system is formed by blood. All the circulatory system are formed by blood. Okay, blood vessels and cord. Okay, the cord is beer shaped and lies into the thoracic cavity in between the lungs. Okay, the cord present in between the gums. It is enclosed by pericardium. The cord is covered by pericardium membrane. Okay, double layer membrane. Okay, the cord is four chambered with two auricle. The cord is four chambered, two auricle and two ventricle. Okay, the cord is four chambered with two auricle. The right and left auricle are separated by intra-auricular septum. The right and left auricle separated by intra-auricular septum. Similarly, right and left ventricle separated by intraventricular septum. Okay, these are the two separate into the cord, intra-auricular septum and intraventricular septum. Okay, the right auricular. Then the right auricular open into the right ventricle. The right auricular open into the right ventricle. Right auricular open into the right ventricle. Same process. The right auriculoventricular apparatus. Then the guarded by the tricuspid valve. The left auricular opened into the left auricular opened into the left ventricle. Left auricular opened into the left ventricle. Okay, va? By left auricular ventricular apparatus surrounded by bicuspid. Right and right ventricle having a tricuspid valve. The left ventricle and left auricular having a bicuspid valve, all mitral valve. Okay, the opening of the pulmonary and aorta surrounded by the 3 seminular valve. Okay, the right auricle receive a deoxygenated blood through the 2 pericardial valve, that is means superior vena cava and 1 posterior, 1 inferior vena cava veins from the all parts of the body. The right auricle receive the deoxygen, that means without the oxygen receive the all parts of the body. Okay, va? The left auricle receive the oxygenated. The right auricle receive the right parts receive the right parts of the cord. Auricle part receive the deoxygenated blood. The left auricle receive the oxygenated blood. They are giving oxygen. Okay, va? From the pulmonary veins, from the lungs. Okay, va? Lungs having a oxygenated blood. From the right ventricle arrests pulmonary trunk which carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and from the left ventricle arrests the systemic aorta which supplies the oxygenated blood to the pulmonary. Then these are the one of the part, that is our pulmonary vein from the lungs. From the right ventricle arrests the pulmonary trunk which carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and from the left ventricle arrests the arch, that means aorta, which supplies the oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body.